This is the PEEONS cat or dog grooming hammock plus trim kit. So it's got a hammock like this. You can see your dog's feet will fit right into the main base of it, and then you can clip it up top, so you have ease of trimming their fur as well as trimming their nails. So Teddy sits in here quite comfortably. You can actually reassemble the upper kind of hammock piece and turn it into a sweater as well for those cooler days. It's very soft and cozy. So Teddy actually loves having some grooming done to him, so he sits here pretty nicely for me. So we give him a nice little brush to start out. It's got two different levels for scissors, a very kind of fine tooth comb, and then you've got some nail clippers and files included as well. So pretty easy to set up. They do have multiple sizes. I've just gone with the small here, and you see he's getting a nice little nail trim now. Very well groomed. But yeah, all the way up to a size large as well. So you could even use this for bigger dogs. Could be great if you do a lot of grooming at home or just for taking care of your own dogs. Little storage bag also comes with it to help prevent from kind of losing any of things. As far as these scissors go, one of them is kind of more for cutting the hair. And then we've got hair removal clippers, which is great for very thick hair. You can see Teddy's got obviously a lot of hair here. I always don't want to cut any of his undercoat, just kind of the upper one. So he just has his fur exactly how it should be. So he's looking much clean and tidier now. Very cute, looking very pleased with himself. Also comes with some hanging straps. Really love it. Definitely check it out.